avec YouTube, welcome back to the channel pour un nouveau vidéo.
Maman, dis-moi pas de café,
Mczi. You look weird.
I have a big hand, bro.
You do have a big hand. Okay, put it down. Oh my god, you can hide my whole face. Shoot, you got a big hand. Hopefully, Leah doesn't get your hand.
Has my hands always been that big?
Yeah.
What?
They're big. Okay, welcome to the channel pour un nouveau vidéo. So, dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, je vais poser 2-3 questions. Comme si je vais poser une question pour me demander qui ça que dit pas jamais fait ou bien qui ça que dit fait like. Question pour aller sur est-ce que ou pas jamais fait ceci, ou bien la répondre oui ou bien I'm saying that I'm gonna ask you a question about have you ever done this or that. And you're gonna answer. So, ma pose la question, la répondre, you're gonna answer and I'm gonna answer too. So, nous tous les deux après répondre une question que moi poser. Si c'est la première fois que vous regardez nous, pas oublier, comment below, subscribe to the channel là, and then give us a like, bah non like. Pour nous capable continuer faire ça affaire. And then, baby Leah là, je dis, in the video, baby Leah is in the video because she doesn't want to say by herself. Leah, je suis là pour continuer son la vidéo aujourd'hui. Alors, bon, commençons avec question. Question number 1. Have you ever lied to me? Première question me pose, elle m'a dit, est-ce qu'elle peut que j'en bon menti? Why you laughing? Pour qui ça rit? Elle rit, mais est-ce qu'elle peut que j'en bon menti, mais elle rit? Like, Z, have you ever lied to me?
I have.
You lied to me? I thought you loved me.
I do love you.
Why do you lie to me?
It's a little white lie.
Okay.
I mean, I'd be lying if I never said.
What kind of lie do you give to me?
Like when have you washed the dishes yet? And I say yes.
Oh, il est toujours fait ça, eh? Nous disons comme ça qu'il qualité menti, qu'on bon moi. Et parce qu'il n'est pas fait mon travail, ou comme si nous disons qu'il tombe bagarre, nous disons qu'est-ce qu'on a fait ça moi, like qu'est-ce qu'on a wash dishes, qu'est-ce qu'on a lavé vaisseau. And then pendant notre travail, la mec nous dit laver vaisseau déjà ou bien ben il a déjà dit oh oui, me get fait tout bail ça. Menti oui, il juste attend comme si l'aime presque fin travail. He's always waiting when I'm always finished. Like when I'm about to come home, like l'aime presque fin travail m'a vinn la caille. Et là, ça, je me vine dans le comme si mouillé, le fait passer mob, ou bien qu'ils sont mouillé, yeah, ils connaissent pas mentir ça. So you never lied to me about other stuff.
I don't know.
You lied to me a lot. I remember quand songe qui mentit kon bon. Okay, I have. I lied to you too before.
About what?
I don't know. Like, it's not like big lies, it's like little lies.
That's the same thing I said, and you got all mad.
I didn't get mad. I was just like, I mean, but you shouldn't be lying to me.
You shouldn't be lying to me either.
Okay, question number two. I lied, you lied, so we even.
You like mama?
So like, no even. Deuxième question. Have you ever think of leaving me? Est-ce que j'aime pas se quitter? Why you laughing? Après toute question posée, les.
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. When you make me really mad, it's now is less than back then. Back then we would fight a lot. I'm like, dang, am I really gonna put up with this for the rest of my life?
Because honestly, Papa menti, ça y va parler anglais. But li kon envie quitter parce que avant tout l'interférence, nous était toujours comme si qu'on a gourmé bah ça. Nous était toujours qu'on a gourmé comme si des petits bagages, on voulait vous le faire ou bien on voulait vous changer la gaille, but it's always que ça va le faire pour tout reste. I never really think of leaving you. Even when
I'm gonna go to my mom's.
No.
I'm gonna go to my mom's.
Même si me dis à maman, like, listen, I never really, like, deep down, I never really, j'aime comme si vraiment pensé pour me quitter. Like, no, I don't do that. So you don't love me.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
You
You wanna?
don't.
I'm keeping Leah. Give me my baby.
My baby.
Bon petit moi. Nega laisse quitter bon petit way. Give me my baby.
She's my twin. She's more my baby than yours.
Whatever. Ok. Troisième question. Troisième question belle. Have you ever looked at another girl butt while we've been together? Est-ce que quand j'aime garder bouda ou l'autre fille pendant nous ensemble?
I mean, honestly, it's human nature.
What do you mean? What do you mean it's human nature?
No,
I
no.
don't have enough butt?
You have more than enough, Mama.
What do you mean it's human
Backtrack.
nature?
Have you ever thought someone else is good looking? Exactly.
Not, but
I didn't do anything about it though. It's not like I slapped their butt or anything.
but I never look at any man butt. But j'aime qu'elle bouda ou l'autre nègre.
You know you're lying.
No,
You
I
know
never.
you're lying. And how do I know? Because you told me one of your coworkers said another person had a cute butt.
But what do you mean? No. I don't look at people's butt. M'bagay bouda garçon. M'bakun gade bouda garçon. Ou li même qui gade bouda fille.
Bouda.
No, okay. No problem. No
You?
problem. Quatrième question. Have you ever cheated on somebody? Est-ce qu'on trompe un monde déjà?
On somebody?
Yes, like any other people you've been with, like n'importe monde ta avec dans la vie. Have you ever cheated on somebody?
Honestly, just one person, and I told you about that.
When?
What do you mean? I don't want to say names because I don't want to, you know.
Okay.
But-
well, I have. M'fait ça déjà too. So we even. Until now, you did everything. Like
You did that one too. Have you looked at a girl's butt? Nicki Minaj.
man. Okay, whatever is up there.
That's
whatever.
what I thought.
Have you ever wished dead on somebody? Est-ce que ou comme si qu'on souhaitait pour un monde mourir, like curse someone? Like, have you ever wished dead on somebody?
I don't think I have.
No? Me neither. M'a souhaité comme si comme si oh pour moun sa mourir. I don't do that either.
Yeah, honestly, not only because of that, because death is the easy way out. Especially if you did something wrong to me.
Mais
I
c'est pas
want
comme
you to
si
live
peut-être ça, c'est
with
pas
that.
comme si non n'importe bagay, c'est comme si les un monde comme si fait un bagay qui m'a livré comme si pour mon nan livre ensemble avec ça, il va juste vraiment souhaiter pour mon nan mourir. Comprenez?
Go
Yeah,
back.
I don't do that either. So, have you ever farted on me? Est-ce qu'on pète sur moi? Oh, you lying! Oh my God, I'm not
To be fair, most of the time I'm asleep.
on you asleep? Little abdomen. That's yo, ça c'est menti, babe. You know that's a lie, babe. You can be laying here and you're like,
It's good.
you laying there, you're like,
It builds
I don't
up.
fart like that, dude. No.
You just lied.
No.
You just lied. Your parts are way stinkier.
Pretty peut-être mieux
than
pas
mine.
senti. Non, peut-être mieux pas senti. I drink perfume.
And it comes out rotten. Yeah, my mama stinky fart.
Yes, nous yon kon pété sur l'autre.
You fart on someone, mama?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, don't lie. Okay, don't lie. Have you ever got anyone pregnant before me? Est-ce que ou c'est une femme avant déjà? Have you ever got anyone pregnant before you met me?
I have 3 kids.
What do you mean you have 3 kids?
I'm just kidding.
No, like you're not kidding.
I'm kidding. I don't have any kids. This is my only baby. Yeah, this is the first time I'm being a dad.
I'm not having sex here.
You think I'm lying?
You said you got 3 kids.
I was just playing.
You sure?
I promise.
I do have a kid. I got pregnant for somebody before, so you know it. You know my son. I've been fait comme s'il va con Jerry. Yes, so women fait ça déjà. Okay, have you ever run away from a fight? Like, you got a fight with somebody and you'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna kick your ass, like, and you're like, Mare, est-ce que li, comme si, li kolè, ou konwe gen moun ki mette, l'estomac yo devant, ou mka bat ou bay sa yo, et puis le pou goumen arrive, et puis yo range koyo ou bien al maron, So money let's say comme si, have you ever run away from a fight?
Okay, you tell me if this count as running away. So it was about 5 of us against 20 of them, and they had guns. Does that count? One time though, that's it, I promise.
Les comme ça, gon let against yo 5 lan, qui te devant 20 l'autre moun, so l'autre moun yo te gen zami pi yo kouri.
It was at a party. It was at a party, and it wasn't our party. It was their party. You feel me?
I don't know. I can't recall. M'a vraiment songé si me fait bail comme ça non parce que go même yo te comme ça. Comprenez? Look, this question it's not in a paper.
So what are you gonna ask it?
Because like your answer gonna bring something else like question là femme question ça m'a posé li pas non piano but li fait comme si me songe l'autre bagage c'est ça comme pas me yes Leah. Have you ever done something anything illegal? Don't laugh. Illegal. Why you laughing, Sabdiel? Oh my God, Timon. What should I say? Because of what?
I don't want to go to jail, so I'm gonna plead the fifth.
Why you mean you gonna? Why is it
This could be used as. This could be used as evidence, and I don't want to self-incriminate myself.
Be scared of Mexican. Be scared of freaking Mexican! You did illegal stuff, huh?
I don't know what that means. I don't know who that is. Who is that?
I gotta be careful. I have to be careful. You do illegal stuff? I never done anything illegal. But what have I ever done?
Okay.
Okay. Babe, bakit ka mga illegal? Okay, whatever. We're not gonna stay on that question. Okay. Have you ever spent 3 days without shower? Have you ever spent 3 days without shower?
To be fair, I was working a lot. I didn't even know what day it was.
Dude, you spent 3 days without shower?
I mean, it's happened before, man.
Oh, get it say the bagay makundi remember job kone. Get it say the bagay makundi remember job kone. Like, you spent 3 days without shower?
But listen, you're not even letting me explain myself.
Okay.
I was working and I don't even know what day it was.
So you work for 24 hours?
I don't know. Because I was working so much, I would come home and I would just knock out. And then I realized that when I wake up, it's already time for me to go back to work. And I'm running late.
And then you don't shower?
I was running late. I did cowboy showers.
What do you mean cowboy showers?
Like, wipe and everything, you know?
Don't do that while you're with me, because I'm going to leave you.
Okay. You didn't answer the question.
I spent a day.
Ew!
You spent 3 days. Un jour. But like, ça va dépendre comme si c'est toi by ma fait pendant journée vim bina quand même un jour. So my bad man say okay. Okay. 11e question. Dang, we're already on 11 question. 11e question. Have you ever stayed hungry and give your money to a girl? Est-ce qu'on connaît tes gangoué pour ba femme l'argent?
Stay hungry and give my money to a girl. I have.
Dang. Oh.
I have. It's because the thing with me is when I care for someone, I care for someone.
You care for me?
Of course, I'll do anything for you.
Oh.
And I hit it with the line that it's okay, I'm not hungry.
Oh, it's okay. I have a good husband. I don't do that. No, thank you. I don't do stuff like that. Okay. Have you ever let Leah cry because she gets in your nerves? Est-ce qu'on peut quitter Leah crier parce qu'elle peut pas?
Yes. Yes.
Babe.
I tell you, I'm sorry, you're gonna cry yourself to sleep. I don't know what you want. I give you your milk. I play with you. You're clean. I change your diaper.
E va mwen ti pren nou get pa fwa Leah kon sa, yo ben, yo bal manje, yo change diaper li, you like play with her, you do tout bagay and she's like crying, like la kriye, dek kon sa nou just kon kite kriye. Yeah, nou kon fè sa, yon pa mwen song la. Pare sa, mwen kon fè go bizou.
Have you?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I have.
All my parents know what we're talking about.
Yeah, I have.
We still
Mwen
love
fè
you,
sa.
mama.
Yeah, we love you still, Leah. We love you still. Okay. 13e question. Have you ever find yourself in a Ooh, I like this question. Have you ever find yourself in a dream where you peeing and you ended up peeing on yourself? Est-ce que mais pose une question pour ça. C'est comme si li kon a fait rêver la pipi et puis li tout pipi sous li. Have you been?
Honestly, and you're gonna make fun of me. I didn't stop wetting the bed till like I was like 10.
No! Don't be like your dad.
I just couldn't.
Li di kon sa, li pa jom suspend pipi. Pou jiska skèl gen 10 ans. Si li a kon sa mouri. Don't be like your daddy.
But it wasn't
2
my
years
fault.
old, you good.
It wasn't my fault. I mean, it's technically normal. Like there's some kids that just don't feel it. I would be scared to go in the dark, like run from the room to the
E
hallway.
zi gen ba fal kon kom si pe pou kite sot nan chom nan pou la ale nan bathroom nan. And then,
And
li pipi nan kaban nan.
I'm a very heavy sleeper too. I only wake up with my music. It has to be my music.
Li di kon sa dormi di, li pou leve, se pou leve avèk müzik pal.
And if I hear my name.
And then si ou ele non.
Now, of
So,
course, I listen if baby starts crying sometimes.
Yeah.
I wake up.
10 years old? Dang, like, yes, that happened to me, but not often. I think like 2 times only. But ça arrive like, ça c'est 2 fois
Yesterday
seulement.
and when?
Not yesterday. E pa kipe, mpa pipi nan kaban ye. E pa vwe, mpa pipi nan kaban ye. You flush. Mpa pipi nan kaban ye. Ok, yeah, ba ça arrive mbe kwa 2 fois seulement. Ok. 14e question. Have you ever wished I was somebody else? Est-ce qu'on kon comme si envie pour mon lot moun ba ça yo?
Honestly,
On souhaite mon lot moun.
and I don't know how do I put this. I haven't.
Me neither.
'Cause-
Mba fè ça too, like, cause you're perfect for me.
Same. Even though we get mad at each other, but
Yeah,
if you were
that's
someone
impatient.
else, I don't think we would be here.
Yeah, that's true. Like, ba kon souhaite ça. Parce que jon ya moun moun kon sa. Like, I love you the way you are. 15e question. Oh, no. I asked this question already. Have you ever done something like, man, I have this question right here. Mwen la pose 15e question, mami. Dernier question, do you love me? Do you love I love you too. So, c'était tout notre déposé pour aujourd'hui. So, c'est question ça, on déposé pour nous. It was souhaiter que nous enjoy video, souhaiter que nous abonner, and then say abonner.
Abonné.
C'était tout. C'était question ça, nous déposé dans la vidéo aujourd'hui. Si c'est la première fois que vous regardez la vidéo, si c'est la première fois ou là, abonnez sur la chaîne là. Pas oublier, you guys, quittez un comment. Toujours commenter parce que moi, je comment nous, il va répondre nous. And then, si nous voulons passer dans missdarlingboutique.com, allez sur missdarlingboutique.com pour nous prendre lip gloss par nous. Nous, je bouge la claire. Lip gloss est très bon. Il y a seed oil, grape seed oil, and then il y a coconut oil là-dedans. Il est vraiment bon pour bouchou. Si bouchou a comme si coupé, bouchou a fun ou capable acheter. And then, ma voix nous encore pour un nouveau video.
I don't know what you're saying.
I said I'm gonna see you guys again. Ah! Li level by the Creole. Bye, you guys. Love y'all.
Bye.